Hello friends, welcome to CAD Tips. In this video, I am going to explain about various keyboard shortcuts. So, let's start with the combination of control button which is there in the left bottom corner of the keyboard along with other keys in the keyboard. Okay, so first of all, control plus A, these two keys are used to select all the text or any other object in a folder or wherever the place is. Okay, next is control plus B is used to bold the selected text, which work like this. Okay, next is control plus C is used to copy the selected text or any other object from one place to another. Control plus C is only used for copying. Then control plus V combination is used to paste the selected text to, that is copy text to destination. Next is control plus D. Control plus D is used for two purposes. In browsers, it is used to bookmark the open web page. So if we press control plus D combination over here, a bookmark page is appeared. When we press done button, the page will be listed in the bookmark list. Here it is listed in the bookmark list. Okay, and in word processor it is used to open the phone tab. Next is control plus E combination. It is used to center the text. Which work like this. Next is control plus F. It is used to open the find window. Control plus G is used to open the find window itself, but in browsers. Control F is also works fine in browsers. Next is control plus H. It is used to open the find and replace tab. This is the find and replace tab. Next is control plus I. It will make the selected text to italics font. It will work like this. Okay. Next is control plus J. It does two functions. In browsers, it will shows the downloads page. Okay, this is the downloads page. This is the downloads page. Okay. Next is in word processor, this will justify the alignment of the selected paragraph. Okay. Next is control K. It will create the hyperlink for the selected text in word processor. For example, if you are selecting the word global warming and press control K, this insert hyperlink tab will be displayed. Here we can add the address of the web page. Okay, so we are selecting the address, copy the address and paste it on the address tab and press OK button. The hyperlink is created. And to open this hyperlink, press on hyperlink along with the control button. Press on this hyperlink along with the control button. The hyperlink will be opened. The web page of the hyperlink will be opened. This is how it works. Okay. Next is control plus L. It is also used for two purposes. In browsers, it is used to select the address bar. Okay, this is the address bar, and we press control L, that will be selected, and in that address bar is selected. And in word processor, it is used to left align the text. Next is control plus M. It will indent the selected text in word processor. Okay, so we press on control M, the text will move further from the margin. That is the function of indenting. Okay. Next is control plus N. It is used to create a new page or a document. When we press control N over here, it will create a new PowerPoint page. Next is control plus O. It is used to open the file. In most of the programs, open tab will be opened when we press on control O. This is the open tab, and we can open any of the files. Next is control plus P. It will open print window to print the page that you are viewing. We can print the current page by pressing OK button. Next is control R. In browsers, it is used to reload the page current page. It will reload the current page, and in word processor it will right align the text. Okay, control L is used for left align and control R is used for right align. Next is control S, it will save the current open document. Control T, it will create a new tab in browsers. That is, the new tab is created. Next is control plus U, it will underline the selected text. Next is control plus V, it is for paste the copied data. By pressing control C, we copied the selected data, and then by pressing control plus V, this will paste the copied data to the destination. It will work like this. Next is control plus W. In browsers, the current open tab will be closed by pressing control plus W. And in document or word processor, the open document will be closed. Next is control plus X. This will cut the selected data, and by pressing control V, it will paste the cut data. Next is control plus Y. It will redo any undo action on a line. That is, if you press typing alphabet A, okay, then by pressing control Y, this will redo that action again. If you are pressing control Y one more time, it will redo that action again. Okay. Next is control plus Z. These two keys will undo any action. So our last undo action was deleting that A's from the above line. This will undo that action. Control plus Z. By this, we have completed all the combinations of alphabets with control button. Still, we have some more combinations that are available with control button. So let's see that. In this, first of all, control plus tab button. By this combination, we can switch between tabs in browsers. Here we have this much tabs, and if we want to switch easily between these tabs, press control plus tab button, we can switch between tabs easily like this. Okay. Next is control plus open square bracket and close square bracket combination. This is used for decreasing and increasing the font size of the selected text. It will work like this. By pressing open square bracket, it will decrease the size of the font size of the selected text like this, and by pressing close square bracket, it will increase the size of the selected text. Next is control plus delete combination. This combination will delete the next word from the mouse pointer. So here the mouse pointer is after the delete word, so it will delete the word next. And if we press control plus delete one more time, it will delete the word from the space. Okay, it will work like this. Next is control plus 1 or 2 or 5 numbers. These are used for the line spacing of single, double and 1.5 respectively on the selected text. So here is the example. It is already in single spacing, so control plus 1 won't work. Control plus 2 make it double spacing, and control plus 5 will make it 1.5 spacing, and back to control plus 1 will make it single spacing. Okay. Next is control plus alt plus 1, 2 or 3. This will make the selected text to size of the heading 1, 2 and 3 respectively in word processor. If you select the text and press control plus alt plus 1, 2 and 3 will make the text to the size, the respective heading size. Next is alt plus shift plus D or T. This will insert the date and time in word processor. That is alt plus shift plus D and T. Okay. Next is control plus alt plus tab. Okay, this will view the open apps and we can easily switch to other apps. Okay, and just control plus tab will used for switch between tabs in browsers. This is already we discussed. Okay, next is control plus shift plus A. This will make all the selected text to capitals. Okay, Here is the example. We selected the text and press Ctrl plus Shift plus A will make the text to selected text to capitals. Okay. Next we have some shortcuts which are combinations with Windows key. This is the Windows key which is there in the left bottom side of the keyboard. First of all, Ctrl plus Windows key plus I, which will open the settings page of the system. Windows settings will open. Next is Windows key plus L. This will lock your PC. Okay, lock your PC, and you can switch a user if you want. Okay. Next is Windows key plus M. This will minimize all the open windows in the system. Okay, this will work like this. Okay. Next is Windows key plus R, which will open the run dialog box. This is the run dialog box. Okay. Next is Windows key plus S. It will open the search in the system. Next is Windows key plus print scan button in the keyboard, which will capture the screenshot and save it in the screenshots folder. Okay, this is screenshot folder and the image is saved in this folder. Okay, this will work like this. Next we have some interesting combination, which is combination of Windows key along with arrow keys, which are left, right, up and down. Okay, first of all, Windows key plus left and right arrow, which will snap up the current window to left and right. Okay, which work like this. This is how Windows key plus left and right arrow works. Okay, other is Windows key plus up and down arrow combination, which will maximize and minimize the current open app. Okay, current window, that is, it will minimize and maximize. Okay. Other is Windows key plus numbers from 1 to 9 open the app which pinned to the taskbar in the position indicated by the number. Okay, so if you want to open any of the items, that is the taskbar, and if you want to if we want to open the calculator which is in the 6th position, we can press Windows key plus 6. It will open the calculator. Okay. And if you want to open next is 7 is Word, 8 is Excel, like that. If you press Windows key plus 7, it will open the Word, and if you press Windows key plus 8, it will open the Excel. Like that it works. Okay.